So if you have a 98 Toyota Tacoma or similar with a hood not closing issue, I found that you need to lube your hood release cable and these two pins right there and right there underneath the main hood latch. But most importantly, that cable that's really hard to see down there. Lubed it up with liquid wrench, chain, and cable lube. The end result is this is what you want. Bam. Before it would get stuck, it would just get stuck like right here, and it would not return. Therefore, my hood would not shut. The latch was not enabled. I worked the cable back and forth for a long time. At this point, the hood shuts nicely, which it did not do before. Let me demonstrate the hood release. Bam! As per normal. So the main takeaway is just to lube your hinge pins where the mechanism occurs. And additionally, and more importantly, lube the hood release cable, which you can kind of see in the picture right here, right now. And work it back and forth until it snaps back like mine does under the hood. Basically, you want to get your hood release lever to operate freely and snap back as it should. Before it would get stuck. But after some cable lube and working it for a while, it made it, you know, do its thing. Yeah, that's what you want. Over and out.